Right, this was a project that I had, lt1042 Cub Cadet. It was in very bad shape. Everything about it was wrong or messed up. Had to change out the voltage regulator. Wasn't putting out enough. It was constantly shorting out. So I changed out the clutch. The clutch was bad in it. I think that's what was causing it to short out. Didn't have any tires. Had a broke frame right there. Welded that back together again. Didn't have a deck, so I actually put a 42-inch deck from a John Deere on it. Modified it a little bit by welding on these pin type ones from another John Deere that had that. This Cub Cadet deck has the single pin type, and also this John Deere did too, 42-inch deck. And I had to modify the length of the belt. I ended up going with a thicker, this 5/8 inch 97-inch belt. That was the one that I found fit. This was a scrapyard deck that I got for $5. But it has awesome cutting power. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. I've let my grass grow up really tall, and we'll go and check it out. It hasn't bogged down at all, and I've gone through some really high grass. Yeah, it's not gonna want to start. How about that? The thicker belt allows me to go through this higher grass. It actually governs up. I think a lot of times I don't do that because the belt slips. It didn't work real good on the thinner, on the 1/2 inch, 97-inch belt. Look at this tall grass right here. I can go through. Like having a tractor now. Or a brush hog. These are the way these things should cut. This is the second one of these that I put the thicker belt on. They do so much better. But I don't know that they would fit on, I don't know that they'd work on that lever type PTO, because that's constantly turning. That seems to work better on the electric PTO, which actually stops because it can be tighter.